In a jaw-dropping turn of events, FaZe Rug has left the Pokémon community buzzing with excitement. During the live Pokémon TCG unboxing on his channel, he pulled not one, not two, but 3 Charizard cards in a row. Viewers watched in amazement as each card appeared, an incredibly rare occurrence that has fans wondering if he's the luckiest card collector out there. The unboxing session quickly went viral, sending shockwaves across social media platforms. Could this triple Charizard coup change the landscape for Pokémon collectors worldwide? Tune in to find out how this could impact the future of card collecting and FaZe Rug's unboxing adventures. For more viral news, subscribe and stay ahead.